Breaking news is coming. 100 opening opportunity, which is mass opportunity. You can see here opening is 100 and this is mega mass opportunity, and IBM application developer entry level mega opportunity, and two more opportunities there. This is mega drive, ठीक है. So 100 openings is there. IBM mega drive entry level opportunity application developer role. The package is very high but only limited candidate batches is eligible in form of campus drive, ठीक है. Please watch video till end, then I will tell you. Please watch video till end, then I will tell you how to apply, ठीक है. First, I am going to tell you about IBM application developer cognitive application automation. Early professional only is eligible, means this is only for fresher, no experience candidate or experience is required. Entry level job is there. Regular full time opportunity, no internship. This is direct full time opportunity. Bangalore location is there. Job ID is written here. You can easily take referral. So I am going to tell you main thing that BTech in computer science, IT, software engineering obviously is eligible. Now this is hiring manager recruitment should collaborate to create the relevant verbiage. अभी ये चीज़ थोड़ा सा समझने की है. So take the help from ChatGPT and give their application developer cognitive application automation and paste this full description and tell them what type of responsibilities or what type of required skill is required for this job role and what type of work we have to do, because ये है तो application developer का role, ठीक है, और ये pure IT role होने वाला है. So don't worry, just apply it as soon as possible. This is software engineering area of work. Software engineering basically pure IT role है, but what I am telling, just take help from ChatGPT to gain the knowledge about required skill and put that domain resume. That's it. Because if you see a required technical and preferred skill and preferred or required education, both is same. Responsibilities is also same, just like written here. तो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा नॉलेज लेके अपना रेज्यूमे अपडेट करके देन टेक रेफरल. दिस इज अ जॉब ID 70090 एंड टेक रेफरल एज सुन एज पॉसिबल एंड डोंट वेट अ सिंगल सेकंड. नाउ 100 ओपनिंग मेगा ड्राइव इज अनाउंस्ड बाय टेली परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ कस्टमर सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव रोल इज देयर. 3 LP up to is the package. Bangalore location is there and here you can see that 25,000 20,000 take home salary is there. Work from office environment, communication English and Hindi, only these two things is required, ठीक है. What I'm telling you, listen carefully. Graduation in any branch degree is eligible, ठीक है, and graduated students and graduated batches are eligible. Work from office voice process role is there. Hindi communication should be good and should be very good in English. बस इसके अलावा कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. So this is face to face, immediate joining preferable and 6-day working, 1-day rotational off. Bangalore location is there. BPM BPO industry type is there. So any graduate is eligible and this is 100 opening opportunity mega drive. Only 1 day ago they posted, only 38 student applied. तो कितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी तुम्हारे लिए कि फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. यू आर कमिंग अंडर 100, ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी 38 हुए हैं. अंडर 100 आओगे सबको मौका मिलेगा यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 100 ओपनिंग्स दी गई हैं, बल्कि लेंगे 500-600 लोगों का इंटरव्यू, उसमें से सिलेक्ट किया जाएगा 100 ओपनिंग्स. तो देयर इज, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड सेंड योर रेज्यूमे थ्रू व्हाट्सएप और कॉल फाइजर. दिस इज द नंबर. डोंट मिस यूज दिस number because this is the HR number. Just call them if you want to apply. Call her if you want to apply, and if you want to apply then send your resume on this WhatsApp number. That's it. And please apply it as soon as possible. This is hiring for young talent, immediate joining requirement. So biggest opportunity है ये अब तक के लिए. 100 openings is there and if you didn't watch yet 100 opening opportunity, go and watch this video. Alex and Mindinius doing great. Biggest mega drive 26 up to 24 batches eligible. Apply it, watch video till end, like this video. So moving forward, there is PwC mega drive is announced. MS engineering operation associate app associate role is there. Support app associate analyst role is there. Basically 2 job location is there, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Now this opportunity is also for BE BTech computer science IT software engineering is eligible. All graduates is eligible up to 6 year of experience. Fresher is eligible. Full time or contract role is there, ठीक है. Now what type of domain they are asking? First you have to understand bachelor degree in engineering or finance accounting, BA is eligible, or Oracle finance is eligible. If you have knowledge of these you can easily apply. Now required skill is very mandatory to understand these. All skill is required to finance. These all related domain which is written here is related to finance industry. If you see finance report, Oracle financial, ठीक है, data analysis is also eligible. Financial reporting system, financial reporting process and audit role is there, ठीक है. Finance accounting IT team to gather necessary information. So please apply it as soon as possible. This is great opportunity for you, and if you want to read summary you can also read responsibilities also. Apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss a single second. Update your resume before applying. Last opportunity is mega drive direct referral opportunity which is AI ML engineering, and the company name is Nitconic, and 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. So this is AI ML engineering. Send your updated resume on this email and you will definitely get the referral. 16th November 9:04 PM is your Kachi Bauli. Maybe this is at the Hyderabad location शायद. बाकी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन यू विल गेट ऑन द ईमेल. तो स्कैन दिस फॉर लोकेशन, ठीक है. और वी आर हायरिंग, दिस इज ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, दिस इज डायरेक्ट मेगा ड्राइव. देयर इज नो असेसमेंट, बेसिकली देयर इज नो असेसमेंट, देयर इज ओनली इंटरव्यू. जस्ट यू हैव टू सेंड रेज्यूमे टू दिस ईमेल एंड गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट एंड अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे. फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे रिलेटेड टू AI ML, put that domain and projects also, then apply. 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. 16th November is your 9 to 4 PM is your mega interview drive, ठीक है. Don't miss a single second. Apply it as soon as possible. 8 hours ago he posted this post, so apply it. And PwC के लिए apply करना है. Take a referral for IBM and there is 100 openings. Apply it as soon as possible. Only 38 student is applied yet. Take benefit as soon as possible. 25,000 CTC is there, and I already uploaded Gensar and Infrared. They are sending the interview mail, group discussion mail, test assessment mail also. So please go and apply it because the form is open but not more than. There is multiple openings. Apply it as soon as possible. Like this video, do subscribe our channel, and please share my videos as well, and please watch video till end and share with your friends also. Thanks for watching.